and welcome to Sonia Taste the Treat. And it's a pleasure to have you here today. I say a big thank you to both my old subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome. And today we're going to be making fruit cake, Christmas cake, whichever you feel to call it. Good. And what is a fruit cake, Christmas cake without mixed raisins, mixed dried fruits, mixed nuts, and cherries? Let's get started. I have here flour. Inside the flour, I have all-purpose spice, I have cinnamon, and I have baking powder, all sieved into a bowl. I have 6 small eggs broken. I have butter. I have syrup. I have orange juice. I have lemon juice. I have lemon zest and orange zest. I have brown sugar and cherries, mixed raisins, mixed dried fruits. Let's go bake with me. And before we get started, I have my baking pan all well lined up. The parchment paper will prevent the cake from burning outside because the inner part of the cake bakes very slowly, so it's going to help. And now let's move on to the next step. I'll mix the cherries together with the dried fruit. I'm going to mix in with some flowers. This is to prevent the fruits, the raisins, to go down the pan when you finally pour everything into the pan, the mixture. So I'm going to mix this and keep aside. before putting it in the oven, I took it to medium heat. And I have water in one of the pans so it can help to bake the cake faster and keep it moist. So let's get it into the oven. And this is the outcome of the fruits Christmas cake. You can see how moist it is. All because I had to put water in the baking pan to help the cake bake and retain its moisture. And so I'm going to teach you how to feed a cake before Christmas. But a day before, you have to feed 2 days before Christmas and you don't feed anymore. So you poke holes in the cake. And on the sides too. And then brush some brandy on it. I'm going to be feeding this cake every 3 times in a week until before Christmas. Subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you for cooking with me. Thank you for baking with me today. And it is a goodbye. Bye.